Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set custom background position of background image in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. So this is our container. Now you see edit container. So click on it. On left side you see layout, style, advanced. So click on style. And then you see background type, so we added background image for this section. And then you see position for desktop, drop down select, and then you see custom position, so click on it. And then you see X position and Y position on desktop, so you can set position according to requirement. X position 0, Y position. Now you see, so you can set position according to requirement. So this is for desktop. And then click on update. Now you see responsive mode, so click on it. And then on top you see mobile, so again click on it. Now we are in mobile layout. Now you see X position on mobile, Y position on mobile, so you can change position for mobile according to your requirement. And then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.